Hey everyone, is the text on your Samsung phone too small or too large? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to change the font size in just a few simple steps. So, let's dive in. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Now, scroll down and tap Display. Next, scroll down and tap Font Size and Style. Here, you'll see a font size slider at the bottom of the screen. Simply drag the slider to the right to make the text larger, or move it to the left to make the text smaller. You can also turn on bold font if you want the text to appear thicker and easier to read. Once you're happy with the changes, simply go back. Your new font size will be applied automatically. And that's it. Now you know how to easily change the font size on your Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.